Got a set of 4 QuadTrac 30-inch tracks. They're Camso 6500s. There's your case part number. So these are, we're going to say that they're used. They were test tracks. And so if you look at the insides here, you see that they're basically new. Now this one here is a good one. It doesn't have any issues with it. This one here has started to have a little cut, some cuts here. But the lugs are, again, excellent shape. And then we have some that are ugly. Or I guess there's 2 and 2. So I'm not a track expert by any means. I know that that's, we don't know it's what it is. But the tracks are in really good shape. Like I said, they're like new. And probably the easiest thing to do, we're not trying to oversell them, but you can't find these used hardly. And we've had these for a little bit. And we've tried a lot of different price points on them. So I think the easiest thing to do is probably just sell them for used. We price them at half price, which new ones are 10 grand, so 5,000 a piece. Don't really want to split them, but if we did split them, then these would be a different price point than these. So just trying to lump all 4 of them. I mean, there's only 3 sitting here, but there are 4 here. So on this one here, just about every one has that issue. This one here doesn't appear to have any blemishes at all on the lugs. Like I said, that 4th one, it's not as bad as this, but it does have that. That's the issue with it. Camso Ag 6500. There's your part number again. This may be a date. I don't know. Yeah, it could be. I mean, these actually came from the factory with some new undercarriage assemblies. So while they may be an older date, again, they're not, they haven't been out there running. So if we can help you out on these, let us know.